On the menu today is chicken lettuce wraps. It's low carb, but big flavor, and you can change up the protein to whatever you want. All right, I'm going to start with my sauce. I've got sesame oil, soy sauce, water, rice vinegar, and hoisin sauce. And we're going to stir it up. All right, now we're going to add oil to our pan. And I'm going to add my chicken, ground chicken. You could use ground turkey, ground beef, sausage, or even shrimp. Okay, how's that look?
Really good.
Good. Okay, now I'm going to add onion. Next we have ginger. G&G, garlic and ginger. And I'm adding my sauce. I have water chestnuts, and I've chopped those up. And peanuts for a nice crunch. I've slivered up some carrots. What do you think? Use the whole thing? Okay. And I want to do some salt and pepper. Okay, now I'm going to add green onions, and I'm going to have more green onions on at the end. Let's get those all on there. Nice. Okay, I have 4 lettuce leaves. I'm using romaine, but you can use whatever lettuce you like. So I'm going to take 1 here and fill it. I'm going to put it back down so I don't drop it. I'm going to put green onions on top. And then I think it needs sesame seeds. Didn't call for it in the recipe, but I really think that would top it off. Well, I'm ready to try chicken lettuce wraps. How about you?
I definitely am.
Okay. We're hungry. We haven't eaten dinner yet.
It's beautiful.
I'm not sure the best way to attack it.
Colorful, very vibrant. Yeah, it's kind of a...
You might need a fork.
like a taco almost.
Yeah. Mmm.
Oh, this is good.
That's really good. Sorry. Lost focus there for a moment. Mm-hmm.
Need a napkin.
All right.
There you
I
go.
forgot. Thank you.
Wow.
That's really good. Nice and crunchy.
Outstanding.
Fresh.
Got the whole keto thing going on here, Bridgetta. Mm-hmm. No bread.
Right.
Which is great.
You don't have to make a separate salad
Boy,
either.
the flavor's awesome.
The only thing I'm thinking is that maybe double the sauce. I might like more. I like the flavor of the sauce. I just want more of it.
I wouldn't be opposed to that.
Okay.
You can relate, the crunch of the peanuts is cool. You can taste the sesame seeds, believe it or not.
Wow. Yeah.
It's just, the flavors are very delicate and balanced.
I like it. I like it. So yeah, we could definitely eat these. I don't know how many a person would eat of a leaf.
Probably
But
two.
we're hungry, but I think two, yeah. So I would double that up if you have more people. I like it. I'm gonna make it again.
Definitely.
All right. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time with another great recipe. And of course, the recipe is always in the description box. Bye-bye.
Nice job.
Thank you.
You guys should make this.